Welcome to Advanced Tech Solution channel. Today's tutorial I will show you how to download Office 2019 and activate Office 2019 in a very easy way. So this is the software. You can find the software link in the description section of my video. But before install the software, you have to pause your antivirus when you install the software and also pause real-time protection for Defender. Now run the exe file and click Office 2019 install. You can change the Office version we are installing 2019, and you can also change 32-bit to 64-bit as well as the language. We are using English language. After that, click Office installation. Click OK. The installation is started and it will take few minutes to completing total installation. For accelerating the video, I am moving forward the installation. The installation is done. After installing the Office 2019, now you have to click No and go to Utilities section. Click Office Retail version for converting the Office. When the converting completed, click Office License Setup. When you click Refresh button, within few seconds you will get a checklist. When you get the checklist, you can see that all will be checked to Office 2016 version. So uncheck all Office 2016 and click but select 2019 version. All 2019 version you have to select and click the setup option. The license will be set up for Office 2019 version. Now close the windows and click Active Office. When you click Activate Office, the office will be activated. When you click Activate Office, the office will be activated. But if you find difficulties to activate your office, then click Close the windows. Click KMS Auto Light and install the GVLK for Office key. And then click Activate Office again. It will be activated successfully and you can get the successful message for Office 2019 activation. Now close all of these windows. Now if you open any Word file, you can see here that the office is activated. This is license version. For better confirmation, go to File and Account section and you can see here that Microsoft Office Professional 2019 and the product is activated. You can also check for going to Control Panel. Under the Control Panel, if you go to Program and Feature, you can see here that Microsoft Office Professional 2019 is installed. Thanks for watching my video.